I'm your host, Scratch Diggity Dog. Today I'll be unboxing this Ender 5S1. I'm new to 3D printing. Got some things I want to tinker with around the house, and I went on Amazon and got one of these on deal on Prime Day. About 300 and something bucks. So today I'll be unboxing and seeing what it's all about. Heard it's a lot to it for putting it together, and then some others on the YouTube videos say that it doesn't take much time at all. But I'm brand new, know nothing about 3D printing. Don't know nothing about any other parts or anything. So, got my package, and let's get started. Got my trusty old paring knife here. See if I can get this thing open. Failed to mention that I picked this up off of Amazon for $3 something on Prime Day. I think the price is going back up now, so probably closer to 5 or 4 or something. Got plenty of damn packing tape on it, I'll tell you that. That needs a washing. Alright. Thick quality packaging. Looks like I got a 3D printer quick start guide. Looks like some stickers or whatnot in there. Put that to the side. Yeah, not sure if you can see that, but let's see. Box here. A whole bunch of stuff. Power cord. This is the wheel for the other stuff for the filament. Some little tiny brushes and wrenches and Allen keys and SD card and adapter. Put that back before it gets lost. To the side. It's easy to take this out. Might be easier just to that feet on it. Okay. Whatever this is called, I think it's upside down. Let me see what's upside down. I might be lying. Might be right. We'll figure it out. Brackets. Sorry about that. Lost power to my lighter. But yeah, I got it have markings on it. It says left and right. I'm not sure if they go like that or something. But it's on both of them. So they all marked with left, right, whatever on all these brackets. Some of them are plastic. That's it for that. Piece of packaging. Put that down there. I guess that's the hiding that went sliding down the rail. Okay. Got some filament, some PLA white. Set that there. Whatever you call this part of it. Do the 3D print. Packaging. Guess this is the bed. Insulated on the bottom. Something hanging from it. Working hot surface. Guess this is that whatever you call it. Bed. Nice knobs on it. Nice and stiff and not loose or anything. Run out of room. Let me set this on top of this foam there. Nothing else on that piece. Something dropped. I'm not sure what that was. A screw. Gotta see where that goes to. A little black screw. Looks like a Allen key of some sort. Or screw. Dropped out of the foam. Make sure there's no more in there. I'm not sure where that came from. See, that came out of the left side of it. Guess this is the base. Try to get that out of there. These are the legs or what you nuts. Label 1. Excuse her, that's my wife coming down the steps. Here's the hip. Yeah.
Gotta come in there.
I don't care. It's fixed. So, after unboxing, a little stringy, I guess that's glue, maybe? One of those gear thingamajiggies. After unboxing, had a little bolt drop out. Not sure what size or where it came from. Looks like it was screwed down at maybe one point. There's a little, see some wear on it. And the bolt is a different color. That dropped out of the foam packaging when I took out the, this end out. I guess this is the hat end. But it came out of the packaging, the foam. And then this little bolt, I'm not sure where this one came from. This one looks like it can be turned by hand. It got some little nubs on it, but it's also an Allen key. A little bit smaller than the one that fell out of the packaging. Not sure. Those are visible. But anyways, when I flipped over this head to see if I could see where that bolt came from, and that little one dropped from somewhere. So, I have no clue where neither one of those go. I don't see where one is missing. So I'm gonna have to do some inspecting. Looks nice though. So, Creality, some quality control, make sure all the nuts and bolts are tight. So I won't be looking for where something may or may not go. Maybe they're just spare parts, I don't know. Let's hope that's what they're for, but I don't think so, because like I said, this one has a little, indicator mark where it looks like it's been worn or used or went somewhere. Try not to lose those. Maybe I should set them inside of this filament. So we got a little divot in there from the vacuum seal. Okay, that's the unboxing of the Ender 5 S1. I'll do the enclosure after I get this done. See what comes in that packaging. Some scratches on the rail. I guess that's from, that's scratches or glue. I think it's scratches. So some of it's plastic, most of it's some type of steel or aluminum. Alright, thanks for watching. See you when I'm going to put this thing together.